Okay, so this is hi, my name's Neve Anderson, and we are getting rid of evidence about a temporary fire. Right, so I've just had my fire. This is on the temporary site. I've got my ashes in the middle, and then I've got my sticks around the outside to act as a boundary for the fire, to let everybody else know that that's where it was. When using a boundary, you want to make sure those sticks are bigger than anything you're going to put on the fire, which these are. So then, first of all, I'd make sure that everything is cool. So just make sure it's all out, okay? Checking it, obviously putting it out as you normally would, making sure that it's all cool, which this is. I've got a spatula, a spade. Obviously you can use a stick or anything that's good for the job. Okay, so I'll just be breaking it up, making sure that it's all nice and cool, which it is. And then, because it is a temporary fire site, I don't want there to be any evidence that there is any left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove those bigger bits, and then I'm going to distribute them over to the side, making sure that there aren't any. If there are bigger bits like that couldn't blend in or that would stick out, then I would take them with me. I'll dispose of them properly. You can bury them if needed. Obviously you don't want to leave any trace that there is anything there. Okay, so I'm just going to move my border sticks now that it's all gone. Obviously it is really cold, and then you just want to be making sure that there's no evidence. You could possibly move a bit of soil around, so I'm just going to add a bit of soil over the top just to make sure you can't see it. Obviously there is a lot of water added, so that area might be quite wet. We don't want there to be any sort of evidence, so moving the ground around, distributing it out will make it blend into the ground a lot more, so that there's none anywhere. Just getting rid of all signs that there was a fire sort of on that patch. And then what else I'd do is I'd move the larger sticks, I'd redistribute them around the area. If I have used any seating or any larger logs, then I'd also distribute them. You don't want there to be a circle of anything or it look like a fire site. The idea is that there isn't any trace or anything there. Obviously I'd get rid of my water buckets as well, making sure that that area is left exactly how you found it. Because we don't want other people to come along and use that fire site again, or think that that is more of a permanent fire site. You want it to be kind of, if you are doing fires, you want them to be distributed so you're not having a big impact on the surroundings and the area. So yeah, so as you can see, can't really tell that there was a fire. The debris is all moved over, and I've moved obviously my blocks. I take my sticks and like distribute them around the area, making sure that there isn't any pattern of stuff. So yeah.